All right, now we're going to do something similar to what we were just doing. We're going to be distributing, we're going to expand, and then simplify. So if I have x to the 5th over y cubed squared, I'm going to write x to the 5 over y to the 3 2 times. Then I want to add my exponents like I did before. So I'll have x to the 10th, because 5 plus 5 is 10, and I'll have y to the 6th. Notice I could also distribute my 2 to both exponents again. So I'd have 5 times 2 would be 10. 3 times 2 would be 6. Let's try it again here. I'm going to write p to the 2 over q to the 7 3 times. Then I'm going to add my exponents. So I'll have p to the 2 plus 2 plus 2, which would be 6, and q to the 7 plus 7 plus 7, which would be 21. If I distribute my 3 to both parts, I'd have 2 times 3, which is 6, and 7 times 3, which is 21. In our last example, I have 3 to the 2nd power over 5, again raised to the 4th power. So I'm going to have it written 4 times. So now I'm going to add my exponents. So I have 3, I have 2 plus 2, which is 4, plus 2, which is 6, plus 2, which is 8. So 3 to the 8th. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 to the 4th. But I could also distribute my 4 in. So I'd have 2 times 4 is 8, and 5 would be to the 4th power. Now, I want you to try these 3 problems on your own. So pause the video now and try those 3 problems on your own. Final answer you should have gotten for the first one would be 4 to the 3 over 7 to the 6, x to the 50 over y to the 35, and a to the 2,272 over b to the 608. So our final exponent rule that we just learned was that if I have a base and an exponent with a different base and an exponent over each other to a third exponent, I'm going to distribute that exponent in, so then I'll have x to the a times c over y to the b times c. So I'd multiply these 2 numbers and these 2 numbers. So it's very similar to what we were doing before, but now the 2 are just over each other. You're now done with notes 2. Please ask Miss S or Miss L for practice 2.